Solitaire cache can lag on older phones when the device is low on available storage, running too many background apps, or using an outdated version of the app or operating system. The fix is usually to reduce the load on the phone before reinstalling anything. By the end, you'll know which settings to check first, how to clear the common causes of lag, and when reinstalling Solitaire cache is worth trying. Start with the simplest fix: close every app running in the background. On an older Android phone, open the recent apps screen and swipe away apps you are not using. On an iPhone, open the app switcher and close unnecessary apps. Then reopen Solitaire cache and check whether the game responds normally. Next, check your phone's available storage. If the device is nearly full, remove unused apps, large videos, downloads, or other files you no longer need. Keep enough free space for the operating system and apps to work normally. A phone with very limited storage can become noticeably slower across multiple apps, not just Solitaire cache. Then check for updates. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for Solitaire cache. If an update is available, install it. Also check your phone system software and install any available update that your device supports. App and system updates can include compatibility and performance fixes. If Solitaire cache still lags, restart the phone completely. This clears temporary processes that may have built up during normal use. After restarting, open Solitaire cache before launching other demanding apps and test the game again. Android users can also check the Solitaire cache app settings and clear its cache, if that option is available on the device. Clearing cache removes temporary app files without normally removing the account itself. Avoid selecting options that erase app data unless you understand what they will remove. If none of those steps work, reinstall Solitaire cache. Before doing that, make sure you know the login method connected to your account so you can sign back in after installation. The key fixes are closing background apps, freeing storage, updating Solitaire cache and your phone, and restarting the device. If the lag only happens in Solitaire cache after those steps, reinstall the app and test it again. Start by freeing some storage and restarting your phone, then check for a Solitaire cache update. If this fixes the lag, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.